Hi guys, I have a Costco haul to share with you today. I have been trying to go to Costco about every 2 to 3 months and stocking up on our essentials that are just a better value at Costco. So I'm going to show you everything I got. These are things that we use a lot of, so just stocking up and getting that better price from Costco. So my haul today was $370, but I got a ton of stuff that's going to last us a long time. And it barely almost doesn't even fit all on my counter. I got a lot of stuff. So it was a lot of money, but it is all a better value of stuff that we have. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I share with you my grocery hauls every single week, and I share with you our meal plan as well, along with other videos too. So make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let me show you everything I got from Costco today. Okay, so I really did get a lot of stuff, and stuff that we use a lot of and stuff that we really like. So I cannot go to Costco without getting a rotisserie chicken, of course. I mean, they are so good. They're so big. I'm going to do a casserole with this rotisserie chicken, and then there'll still be leftovers. My kids love snacking on rotisserie chicken. So can never go wrong with the Costco rotisserie chicken. It's $4.99 for this huge, huge thing. 2 bags of walnuts. My husband goes through a lot of walnuts, and this will last a little bit, maybe like 6 weeks or so. But it's a really good value, so I like to really stock up on these. I also stock up on this Kodiak mix. My kids love waffles. Of course, I don't know what kids don't, but these are so great with all of the protein in these. So they're just really high in protein. There's 15 grams of protein per serving. So I got 2 boxes to stock up on this because it is way cheaper to buy these big boxes than to buy a bunch of small boxes from my Walmart. I got a box of Belvita. One of my kids is just really on this Belvita kick lately. He wants one every day for snack recess, so I pack it in his backpack. So a box of these, there's 30 of these, and then there's these 4 little cookies in each pack. So it's a good serving. These frozen little chicken strips are really good. They're lightly breaded. I cook them in the air fryer. They're very delicious. I like them myself, but I always get kind of stuff like this for my kids. 21 grams of protein and 3 carbs per serving. So these are just awesome. I love stocking up on these from Costco. I always stock up on chicken apple sausage. This stuff is like my favorite. I have it with my eggs and avocado in the morning, and my kids love it as well. We'll do it for dinner every once in a while. My kids, they really like it. So stocked up on this, and like this kind of stuff, it lasts a while. So this will definitely last us a little bit, and it's just a much better value to buy all of these big quantities. String cheese. My kids do string cheese in their lunches, and it's just a really awesome snack. So big pack of string cheese. My husband needed protein powder, so this is the protein powder he gets that he likes that I get him. It's the vanilla, but it's a little bit pricey, and that's kind of what drove up my groceries this haul, because this is almost $50 for this bag, but it'll last about probably 3 months or so. And my kids are working out there in the middle of basketball season, so sometimes we do a little protein shake if they have a big workout. So we go through the protein around here. All of these cans of tuna, so this was $14.99 for all of these cans. There's 16 cans in there, but I love tuna. Really great for lunch. I just really like it as lunch, so I stocked up on that. A big thing of spring mix. This was $4.49, so that is just a really great price. There is a lot of spring mix packed in here. So I'm having a couple people over for dinner 2 different times this week, so I will definitely get some use out of this. This is a 3-pack of milk. This is organic whole milk. My sister-in-law got me onto it. So actually, I have not tried it, but she just says it's great for the kids. So got this. There's 3 little milk cartons in there. This is my husband and I take this. It's a fiber supplement. Just really like it. And there's 360 capsules per container. So this definitely lasts a long time. I got these bacon crumbles. I wanted So this is a big bag. This is definitely going to last quite a long time, but Costco stuff is really good quality, and so I had to get this. This was $8.99 for this whole bag, so it will last a long time. It's good quality, and I'm going to use it for a couple recipes I have coming up soon. So check back. It's going to be in a couple appetizer recipes as well, so definitely I'm excited to use these baking crumbles. Some grapes. My kids are just obsessed with grapes, and we just go through a ton of them. I got 2 cases of sparkling water, the LaCroix sparkling water. My husband loves it, so he goes through quite a bit. So this will last us this should last us about 2 months. There's 24 in each. He has one a day, so almost 2 months. I got a big thing of salmon, such a great value, $17.78 for this huge piece of salmon. I'm actually planning on cutting it in half and freezing, like a vacuum sealing half of it and freezing it. So that will be awesome. A big box of eggs, $17 for the box of eggs, which is way better than the $37 that Walmart has them for right now. And so I just had to get a box. I almost wanted to get 2 boxes, but I held back. I did get 2 boxes of these Kirkland protein bars. My husband really likes these. They are low in sugar, which you should see him in the aisles at stores and Costco. He's looking at the nutrition information, and this one is really low in sugar. There's 2 grams per bar, so really great. He likes these ones. He likes another brand, but Costco is out of them today, so I got 2 of this box instead of this one and then the other brand that he likes. And a big huge thing of toilet paper that will last us a long time. $19.99 for this huge thing. And so it's just such a great value. I just love that. So this is everything I got from Costco. We are stocked up for 2 to 3 months of our favorite things. So I am happy, and I just love going to Costco. It is hard to hold back sometimes, but I always go in with a list, because if I didn't, I would buy the whole store, and that would be very dangerous. So I hope you enjoyed my Costco haul. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.